Hey everyone! This is Ebony from blankapparel.com. Today we're going to be making one of these snazzy headbands from an old t-shirt. This DIY is super simple, so pay attention or you might miss it. The first thing you're going to do is take your t-shirt and cut off the bottom hem. I'm using a size small tri-blend shirt so that my headband will be stretchy. You may need to experiment with sizes and t-shirt fabric to get the right fit for your head. Once you've removed the bottom hem, you're going to cut straight across the middle of the shirt so that you have a loop of fabric like this, about 3 inches in width. For best results, you'll want to use a shirt without a side seam. Now take your loop and fold it in a figure 8 like this. Fold it over once more like so, and that's it. I told you this was a quick one. Let's see that once more in slow motion.
Fold your fabric loop in a figure 8. Then fold it over again like so.
And that's it. Thank you so much for watching.